Hi, it's Emilia. Welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you my newest album. It's a small album created with a music collection from Stamperia, and I just would love to present it to you. The video tutorial for this album will be available on my channel later, but today I'm just showing it the finished project. For the covers I used crafty shapes from the collection, and the album is very little embellished inside, as I wanted to show you this beautiful collection. The papers are gorgeous and they've got lovely designs. I just didn't want to embellish it too much, so I kept it simple. There are 4 pages inside, and each page has also a tab inside, and then left side of each page is not decorated at all, just a plain paper for sticking on the image, and the right side of each page has a little decoration, but not too much. On the second page we've got a small waterfall. This is for the 10 by 10 centimeters photos, and you can include photos on both sides of the waterfall, and it has that acetate closure, really nice, and I used one of the die cuts from the collection on the top of that. And then on another page we've got 2 little tabs, and again place for the photographs and the additional mat inside the page. And then the next one has a pocket with some of the mats from the collection and a little tag I created. It's a swing tag, so underneath that image you can write something or stick something on. And of course another mat inside that page, and then the page with a little like a half of a size tab, and I used the decorative edge die to create that lovely edge. And this has 2 tiny tags. One, it's like a opening music note sheet inside. Again, then can be something written, super cute. There is additional pocket on the back cover with 2 mats. These are also from the collection. Of course you can place other things in the envelope too. And then we've got this lovely lace closure, and that's it for the album. The shape for the album, like I said, I used also from the collection, and I used it upside down, but I don't think anyone will notice that. And I didn't paint the sides of the covers. I like to keep them that way, so if you're wondering, that was my choice. And the spine is just delicate and covered with the paper from the collection. So that's it for the album. Please let me know if you would like to create something like that with me. Would you like a tutorial for a mini album like that? And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.